is no other product like this that is out there. In this video, I'm reviewing Wynwood Atriums and giving you a behind the scenes look at the latest new construction project here in Wynwood. Hey everybody, my name is Joe Bisaha. I am your South Florida realtor and Wynwood resident. I come out with new videos every single week, so make sure you like and subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Wynwood is an eclectic district in the urban core of Miami. It is home to art galleries, retail stores, antique shops, bars, restaurants, and one of the largest open-air street installations in the world. I absolutely love Wynwood, and being a part of its growth and changes over the years has been really cool to see. Alright, so just to recap here, there are over 4 million tourists who visited the Wynwood Walls in 2019, and that number is going up. Every year, Wynwood is home to major events. Art Basel is mostly on the beach in Miami Beach, but Wynwood does so many events around it, and it really is much better, and it competes with South Beach. Wynwood Walls is also the most visited site here in Miami. Airbnb, short-term rentals, they're just getting started in the area. The biggest and the most important developers from New York and Miami are buying land in the area. I have an article right here that's saying New York-based Kushner company, they are buying property down here. Kushner is building 2 projects in Wynwood, Wynwood 27 and Wynwood 28. All right, so let's talk about the project itself. This boutique building is a unique 5-story live, play, and create product featuring 32 fully furnished turnkey micro units. There's going to be ground floor retail. It's located half a block from the Wynwood Walls and walking distance to all of Wynwood's main attractions. So there really is no other product that can compete that's out there right now. The construction that you see going up in the area is going to be for apartment buildings that do not allow Airbnb. I got an exclusive tour with the architect and developer. And you're the architect, right?
And the developer.
I read your resume online. Very impressive.
Right?
A lot of stuff in Miami. A lot in Brickell.
I call that Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.
Uh-huh.
Because I rode in there and there was nothing there. And that was my whole neighborhood when I was growing up here.
It was really cool to be able to go through the building and to see his project actually come to life.
The key to this space here is that it's the mezzanine area, and when you stand here, you'll be able to stand here and look up, because all of this is going to be open. This will be a seating area, not a bar, but we'll have a platform across here. No water. If the condo association wants to put it in later on, it's simple to do. And the reason I didn't put any water in here is because this would turn into a mess.
Yeah.
Everybody forgets to turn off the water over here.
So at the time of recording and going through the tour, there are less than 10 units available.
This is all ready. Some boy came in here before I started construction and bought out, just like these boys here downstairs, bought out the entire 4th floor.
Wow.
Yeah, that was amazing, right?
There are 32 units, and every unit comes fully furnished and equipped. There's a kitchen appliance package, washer, dryer, and central AC units. All the windows are hurricane impact resistant, and some of the units have balconies. These are micro units. It's a trend that's common in the neighborhood. For example, Wynwood 25 also has the micro unit floor plans. From the renderings and the floor plans that I see online, they definitely utilize the space well. You can tell these are definitely micro units, so they're going to be great for Airbnb daily rental, or even if you just need a place to stay in the city if you're coming into town for a few days. Overall, I think this is a really cool addition to the Wynwood neighborhood. There is no other product like this that is out there, so it's really exciting to see these things come to life. This is the perfect opportunity to get into the neighborhood if you're looking to invest in a daily rental product. All right, so let's talk about numbers, because I think this is the most important thing that we need to understand. This is an estimated rental outline, and this is for hypothetical use only and not to be relied on as an inducement to purchase. So I plugged in the purchase price and we went with $302,000. That's the starting rate for this type of base unit at about 420 square feet. putting in an average daily rental rate of $200 a night, but keep in mind that this will fluctuate. So during peak season or during events like Art Basel, you can probably push into the 6, 7, 8. I could see it going for $1,000 a night just because of the location that you're in. Putting an occupancy rate of 70%, which is super conservative, Miami fluctuates on average to about 70 to 80% occupancy, and you can find this data online. Since I want to have this managed and I don't want to have to do anything myself, I factored in a management fee of 33%. That gives me about 20 to 30% to cover the manager. That's normally what they would charge, and then an extra couple percentage points here. So I put in 3% reserves just to cover myself in case anything comes up. Taking a look at the HOA, it is super low for the area at $325 a month. And then property taxes 1.8, which is standard, comes out to $5,436 a year. So taking a look here at the net rent that I could get if I was to list this on Airbnb at $200 a night, at 70% occupancy, I bring in $34,237. After the management fee, taking away $16,863 for management, and then $9,336 for annual expenses, I come out to a net profit of $15,000 per year, which gives me an about 11% return on my investment. If this is something you're interested in, I would love to talk with you. In the show description, you'll find my contact information. Feel free to pick a time on my calendar that works best for you, and I would love to chat with you